All right, welcome back to our daily recap video. And this one's going to be a really nice one because I actually made a nice trade. Let's go over it. We're already looking at the charts today. Let's take a look at what we had here. This candle right here. Yep. We are looking at New York session open. Um, just backtrack a little bit, actually. So yesterday we had that big sell off. We ended up consolidating around that 19.5 zone that we have been consolidating around for the past week and a half. I mentioned yesterday that I think that that's where we're going to stay. That's exactly what happened throughout the rest of the day. Today, previous sessions, we opened up around the same area, a little consolidation around that, and moved up into that 15-minute area of imbalance that I marked out yesterday. Okay. If you don't know where that is, go watch the video yesterday. Basically, what happened today is we were sitting right at the bottom end of that area of imbalance on the 15-minute chart from yesterday. And we had a nice little strong push outside of that. The bottom end of that area was here. We pushed out of it and then quickly pushed right back into it. So a little liquidity grab here first thing in the morning. We had this really, really nice strong push to the upside that filled the entire area of imbalance. Okay, this whole area here was that 15-minute area of imbalance. We came right out of it briefly and then had this nice slow pullback consolidation right at the top end of that range. Continued having this slow pullback. I mentioned in the live today that all of this is really normal, and it was really relieving to see this kind of pullback versus this, back and forth movement that we've been getting a lot lately. So I remained bullish here, but watching, we didn't really leave any imbalances behind besides these two that I marked out with this push up. So super patient, waited for price to come back into our area of imbalance here, knowing that today is FOMC day, right? And we could get some choppiness, okay? But also understanding that the VVIX is finally back under 100 and was falling during this rally here. Okay, all good signs for a direction. Okay, I watched as we came into this area of imbalance. I spoke about how a lot of times I don't take this trade here because we wicked outside of the area of imbalance, but at the same time, we didn't close outside of this area of imbalance on the downside. Okay. And also, if you look back at what we're testing here, we're testing New York session open, which is right here. Okay. So we tested, we tested, we tested, we tested, we got rejected, and then we pushed back up outside of this area of imbalance. Now, I also marked out this bearish area of imbalance and waited for price to push and close outside of it, giving me confirmation that we are turning. Okay. Was really quick on this. We talked about this in the live. I planned this out. I said if we close outside or above this bearish area of imbalance, we'd use it as an inverse, which is exactly what I did. You can see the trade here. I entered at the top of this closed candle here. Okay. Stop loss went just below the inverse area of imbalance. And we took a really, really nice push to the upside. I ended up taking my profits at 1-to-1. I said, you know what? We had reached the bottom side of this structure here. Let me just take the 1-to-1 profits. It's profits. It's on FOMC day. We don't know what's going to happen. I'm just going to take my profits and sit with it. We did leave an area of imbalance behind on the way up. So we took profits here, and I said, if we come back into this area of imbalance, and we respect it, we can then use this to get back in, okay, and continue to the upside. Well, we made a nice move still, okay, to the upside here. Nice, decent pullback into this area of imbalance with respect. Bullish candle on the way out. We could have made an entry here. Stop loss below here, this wick here. and then we would have made another really nice, 1-to-1, 2-to-1, whatever you wanted to do here. Um, we left a bearish area of imbalance on the way back down here, which you could have also used as an inverse confirmation continuation to the upside. All right. We are still making progress to the upside. Now, I took my 1-to-1 profits because today is FOMC day. On any other day, if we didn't have any kind of catalyst coming out later today, okay, and us being below the 100 mark in the VVIX, so we are outside of that caution area, right? We are in the good to go area. I would have taken this trade and let it run to previous highs. Okay, which this is really nice movement in the market. This is what the Nasdaq does on a regular basis when we don't have high volatility. So this is a beautiful trade. I am super proud of myself for taking, one, recognizing all of it finally, and then and hopping on the train on the way back up. Even if I didn't take the 1-to-1 here, I would have made a 2-to-1. If I just said my trades are going to be 2-to-1, period, no matter what, I would have hit my take profit and made my 2-to-1 here. In reality, like I said, with the FOMC hovering over our heads today, and with my struggles lately with the market, I said, I'm just going to take a 1-to-1 trade here. We're going to take our profits on FOMC day. I'm going to be done trading for the day. That's it. And then we'll just, let the market do what it's going to do. So really nice day finally. Just gets me out of my slump so far. Hopefully we can keep going. Okay. But I was focused today. I paid attention, super patient, which is key. I waited for price to get back into these areas that are key. We watched price action. We let price action tell us what the market was going to do. We got in, we rode the train, the same direction that the market is moving, and we made our profits today. Really, really nice trade. Extremely happy with it. And now we're gonna let the market do what it's gonna do. I'm gonna stay out of the markets today. We're gonna come back and we'll be live later this afternoon to watch Mr. Powell and the rate decision. I will be on at this video is gonna come out after that. But anyway, join us for that. And yeah, that's today's trade. Today's session was a success. And again, very, very proud of myself for being extremely patient and waiting for the proper opportunity to get into the market today. There was a couple times where I thought about shorting up here, which in reality would have worked. But the overall trend for today after this move, okay, was up. And there was nothing saying that we were turning bearish today. This was a very healthy, slow pullback into an area of imbalance that was left behind with this strong push up that made new highs on the day. So this was the target, remaining bullish for the day, and sticking with the direction of the day, and it worked out. Awesome trade. Super proud of myself. Happy with the 1-to-1. Happy that I followed my rules. All of my check boxes were checked off. I took the opportunity. Whether it was going to work or not is up to the market. But we got in, we took our opportunity, and we ended up green today. So really, really nice day. Really happy with myself. And now we get to just chill out and relax and enjoy the wild market movements that we'll be able to watch later during my live session with Mr. Powell. Hope to see you all there. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. There's 88% of you that have not subscribed that watch my content. Please subscribe to the channel. Help me out. That'll help me continue to provide more and better content for you guys. Also, link for my free Discord in the description below for this video. Hope to see you guys there. We're growing a fantastic community there as well. Join that Discord. And yeah, great day today, guys. Hope you guys are having an awesome day in the markets today also. And we'll see you at FOMC decision time. Take it easy.